Hello my dear students and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel Educator Prerna, that's me, और as you popularly know me as English वाली मैम. So आज जो हमारी ये T20 सीरीज है EPL, इसमें जो हमने कल चैप्टर पढ़ा था His First Flight, उसका सेकेंड सेशन है. कल के सेशन में हमने क्या किया था? We had read this chapter and we understood the chapter in depth. Alright. आज के सेशन में हम क्या करने वाले हैं? We are going to understand the important characters in the story and what are the core values that we learn from this particular story. Okay? So इस स्टोरी में हमारे पास दो मेन कैरेक्टर्स हैं. First is of course the young seagull and the second character are his parents, particularly his mother. तो सबसे पहले जो यंग सीगल है इसके कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स समझते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ कोर्स ही इज fearful and second character trait is that he is very stubborn. बहुत जिद्दी है. ऑलराइट. सो जैसे जो बच्चे मैम के वीडियोस रेगुलरली वॉच करते हैं बिकॉज उन्होंने सब्सक्राइब किया हुआ है चैनल, उनको ये पता है कि मैम हमेशा ये बताती हैं कि जब भी आपको स्टोरी में किसी कैरेक्टर को एक्सप्लेन करना है, उसके कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स को समझाना है, that time we need to quote incidents from the story. All right. So how do we know that he was fearful? So very clear in the beginning of the story he बताया जाता है that he had been afraid to fly with them. Somehow when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid, and the great expanse of sea also scared him. So he was fearful because he wasn't willing to fly at all. He wasn't willing to take his first flight. And how do we know that he was stubborn? Because even when his parents were taunting him, even then he decided to stay on the ledge. All right. लेकिन इस यंग सीगल में एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आता है और इस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के बाद क्या होता है? He becomes courageous. How do we know he becomes courageous? Because when he accidentally, takes his first flight, at that point of time, the fear in him lasts only for a minute. He's able to soar high in the sky, and then also, of course, the journey of landing on the sea. That time also, he is a little scared, of course, but he still musters the courage to be at the sea. All right. So that's why we say that he was courageous, and इसी के साथ he also became independent. Why? Because now he did not really need his family members as such to make him to push him to fly. Now he was independent enough to fly high in the sky on his own. All right. Now we talk about the parents of the young seagull. उनके character traits क्या हैं? So first of course they are nurturing. How do we know that? The way initially वो क्या कर रहे हैं? They're trying to encourage the young seagull to take his first flight. All right. इसी के साथ they are also encouraging. अब वो encouraging कैसे हैं? The way they kind of first incident is the where they are celebrating the flight of the young seagull's brothers and sister. वो एक encouraging है, and by the end of the story also, when this young seagull is finally able to take his first flight, he is appreciated, he is encouraged by the entire family. और इसी के साथ एक important character trait जो है वो है tough love. All right. So his parents, particularly his mother. So parents की जब हम बात करते हैं, how they were ignoring the young seagull deliberately. All right. Why were they ignoring him? So it's not like they were not concerned about the young seagull. Of course they were, but at showing that love in a different manner. कई बार हमें लगता है कि हमारे parents डांट रहे हैं या उस तरीके से ट्रीट नहीं कर रहे हैं. So it's not like they don't love us. It's just that they are showing tough love to us. All right. This is exactly what was happening in the seagulls case. जहां पर पहले तो जैसे parents were ignoring him deliberately because they thought that maybe if we ignore him for some time he will make the effort to fly high in the sky. And second, of course, how his mother, she knew that the young seagull is maddened by hunger. So deliberately वो क्या करती हैं, young seagull के इतनी पास आके उसको fish दिखाती हैं, but she then moves away. So that is tough love. All right. So this is about the character traits of the important characters in this particular story. अब इस स्टोरी में जब हम वैल्यूज की बात करते हैं, there are of course only two main values. First is that we need to be courageous, and second, we need to have that self belief that yes, I can achieve my goal. All right, so that's very simple. That's about the important characters in the story, the important character traits, and the values that we learn from this story, to be courageous and to have that self belief. ठीक है, अब हम मिलेंगे इस स्टोरी के लास्ट सेशन में, जिसमें हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स जो हैं उनको अटेम्प्ट करेंगे, एनसीईआरटी के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स अटेम्प्ट करेंगे. उसी के साथ मैम इज गोइंग टू give you some extra questions from this chapter, and along with that we are going to underline important extracts from this particular story. See you all in the next session. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to Educator Prerna. All right, stay blessed.